Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the console and powering the router into Rommon. You must be at the terminal now. Set serial to 9600, 8, N, 1 and power cycle to trigger Rommon. If you have an iOS image on TFTP or a USB drive, note its file name and IP parameters. This lets you boot immediately. Once done, list environment variables with set to confirm boot and file paths so you know exactly where the router will load the operating system from. Prepare credentials if you now load or recover the iOS image using Rommon commands. Configure IP address, netmask, gateway, and TFTP server so the router can pull the image, and then run TFTP-DNLD or boot USB image name to start the transfer. This is faster and reliable. If network transfer fails, use X modem over console to push the image file. It's slow but effective. Make sure to set the boot variable to the new image after success, because otherwise, Rommon will repeat the recovery process on next reload. You finish by setting the boot environment to the installed image and saving configuration to NVRAM, then reload to boot normally. This avoids repeating Rommon recovery. If the device fails to boot, recheck Rommon variables, file names, and the image checksum. Corruption is a common cause. Once done, document commands and error messages. If you still fail, use Rommon help and preserve logs for TAC or colleague escalation. These steps explain how and why each action restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.